talks, transfers, and everything, you might want to suggest, opinion or something. Otherwise, your host Fabrice Msonera tonight. I'm next to the always reliable analyst in the house, that is Nindal Dlamini. Sikuvusele Nkosi.
Sibalo wami ngiyabonga ngekutitfoba lokukhuluma uvuselelo welview wambukelo weSwatini TV. Fabrice sikhuluma ndzaba telibhola. Kodwa inhlitiyo yami kukhona la ifikile imali khona manje. Uyathi nangibuka ngibuka labanye badlali kulamanye amave. Ngibuka ngeweekend kunemidlali waseGuinea Bissau lo shaya hat-trick eBournemouth. IManchester City sayinomdlalo waseSierra Leone. Yes bamphindze bamlonisha. But babathi ngiyabuka man. Thine sabulala abani. Kwendeka ini ngebhola yethu. Tonke letinvo instead of ngabe sesikhuluma ukuthi kunebadlali kunemidlalo wakwadlala la kangwane usayinwe iKaizer Chiefs nga 9.5 million.
I think it's from DRC. Kelibo somewhere there.
9.5 million. Lo mdlalo lo usayinwe iChiefs uqhamuke eFrance, sikhuluma uqhamuke eFrance. Many better players than him la khona la veni.
Ulamdlala Singzini samthatha South Africa as a country. Wabuye wadlala Singzini. So
ubuyele South Africa and la bekangase even top player. So Fabrice
are we saying maybe it's not part of the discussion, Master, but siyasho ini ukuthi our league is competitive ngoba sike sabona abadlali vele from here once they go out of the country they shine.
I think Fabrice kusamele sike sithole ilanga layo lenzaba leyo sike seyikhulumise because maningi lama issues lengabe siyawa highlighter la into ukuthi mhlambe labantu bangasazi serious yabona because umvulo ngaphandle nakathi nawukhuluma nje as soon as ugooglisha eSwatini utawukhanza ukuthi bebalwa abantu ngebhola yakithi bebalwa abantu stadium site bantu bebathela imithi estadium sisenkantolo uthi lo bendalo eSwatini ngebhola. I think it's high time le bhola yakithi sisukumele siyithathe ibe serious.
Now, concluding this conversation, Master, there's a Tanzanian guy. He's in the country. I met him over the weekend. He played for Simba, and I think he's a friend to Pupu. He says the way he's respected currently in Tanzania, he's shocked to see as in consideration as Kulumanga national team. The way he's respected there. What's your take on it?
Njoba ngisho Fabrice idinenge letinvo kusathi ngasike sithole isikhathi less enough stokhuluma ngalama issues, the real issues ebhola. Because yes siyadlala ngeweekend nako nje siyakhuluma ingwenya amakhapha idlalile nakhona lapho baba siyacabanga hayi man Sunday lebe kumele ukuthi kube super Sunday ngiyo vele le super Sunday hayi khona Fabrice no kukhona lo kungahambi kahle.
All right, there's a lot to talk about as this man just right here mentioned. It's our in-house in Dlamini. Let's kick off things with the last 16 of the Ingwenyama Cup that played over the weekend across Saturday and Sunday. We start with the full results of the game that played over the weekend. Master, last Saturday, Thursday, you did mention surprises. Maybe we'll talk about the surprises. But when you look at the games that played over the weekend, and then maybe look at the results, Master, a total of 12 goals, yeah. One would say, were you happy with the results?
I think Fabrice nawubuka ubuka cishe lama games kulama games la korile la onke lama goal la koriwe I think about 16 wow la shayiwe kulama games lawa uyabona Manzini Sipet cishe ngibola abashaya amagoli amanyenti ngakuveta last week ukuthi kumele ukuthi kule game le lokungani bashaya amagoli amanyenti bakhonile ukuthi bawashaye I think Monene Rangers lo 3-0 bengakamgatsi but bengishito ukuthi kutaba I high scoring game but ngeke nawubuka futhi nakhona ukuthi bekangekho striker se Rangers Musa ngicabanga ukuthi ngiko lokunye lokwende ukuthi iRangers ingakhona ukukora igoli kule game le then Lozitha Spurs nemadlenya I think iLozitha Fabrice solo iyakhona sayishaya 2 ama teams aka Premier League yes mhlambe ayastruggleisha kancane but I think loku for them because nyalo bayi team le yaka first division lokuphela kwayo kulo 8 teams lokhona kuma quarter final so I think ba 104 or 5,000 richer so ngicabanga ukuthi invo lenhle leyo for them Buffaloes versus Rangers. I think nakhona la Fabrice because kule game lena Savio ushaye 3 goals wajoina
Top scorers,
bo Musa na Harvey na even nangala kumanzini sibet Muzi naye ushaye hat-trick. I think Young Buffaloes nayo ngicabanga ukuthi because ku last 32 yakhona ukuthi idonsane nensenga naku unyalo idonsana nePickspeak Rangers. I think lesinye isikhathi kuba iadvantage for nina ukuthi idonsane but tricky at the same time ukudlala neunderdog but nje overall ilovo sisonke ngicabanga ukuthi ilovo emayaluka vele ayitsinzeki naku bakhonile kushaya isisonke emayaluka 3-0 ngicabanga ukuthi nayo leyo statement. So wonke umuntu nyalo ku-tricky lokuthi ungathi nje wena kulama teams la khona la uthi ungagadza ukuthi udonse bani because but akusurprise i-knockout la ifani ne-league.
I'm happy to still looking at the results, Master, because we touched on the number of goals. Maybe if you look at now, one would say there was an offensive last 16. Maybe not, and then fight towards the end. But when you reach a total of 18, and then maybe Master, one particular game I want to touch on. You don't play the last 32 as Sisonke. We are last 16, 90 minutes. You're out. We talked about fitness. We talked about confidence. Get into the game. Two ways it can be advantage or disadvantage.
Uyakhumbula Fabrice ngisho ukuthi kulesinye isikhathi kungadlali ku disadvantage. Ngaze ngabekisa ngebreak lebekhona ngaDecember. Some of the teams atsinaka ngabe bekadlala adlala uthola ukuthi le momentum seyikhona but once kwaba nale break because nani ku break ama teams alakithi awa afford ukuthi nangabe I team ingadlala uthola ukuthi badlali bachubeke babe secampini baba semakhaya dinenge letimvo letindekako ngaleso sikhathi leso asiko that professional. So ngicabanga ukuthi ema effects ekungadlali ku last 32 kwesisonke abonakele and belishisa ke Big Bend plus ngale ukuthi badlala ku natural grass alikaniselwa tonke letinvo leto. So I think vele bona kubo kube disadvantage ukuthi bangadlali ku last 32 but mhlambe ngale bonsumbulwana labancane labantu abatfola advantage because lo muntu awubuta ukuthi what if bebaphumile ku last 32 nalama expenses prepareshela igame. So ngicabanga setinvo kanjalo.
Now let's get to the game of the weekend. Majority of that's the Master is the game of the weekend. We get into the visuals, but I want you to tell me this because now would see Green Mamba Royal Leopard Master because ngengafunza debate somewhere somehow on the social media. Is it one of the biggest game in the land? Is it based on the fact that these are the big teams or they have got the big players? Usansalisha the question, Master. And then the coaches. Did we see the tactical mindset of both coaches? What's Edwin before the game? But you can always change the history. For Ernest Mavuso, they were encouraged. Madam President of the club, Waba Vakashera, on the day before the game, I would say the game itself has a lot to offer. Guwe Master, what figure you were covering the game? Did it live to the expectation?
Okay, Fabrice, I think Royal Leopard Green Mamba, one of my biggest games, let's see now local. Angeke uze kungabade lokho and ngaba surprised ukuthi mhlambe le game lena beyingaya eMayaluga not to disrespect the stadium but we have a better stadium le kuMavuso than Mayaluga.
So I think Master, it's a big game because of the players of the status of the club because the debate it's now we're calling the so-called these teams, I don't want to put the name out there, for the so-called these teams, the big teams. If they are big teams, why can they make the stadium full?
Okay, Fabrice.
Swallows ingaba more offense than this one.
Asengubekisele Fabrice. In South Africa, iSundowns bahlale bathi ina 57 fans. But big team. Yeah, ngokuze kubalekele lokho.
Compared to the other the three big Soweto teams.
Not compared, but big team. because Royal Leopard and
Achievement.
Green Mamba ayisiko bigger than Swallows, Highlanders and the likes and Monen Pirates, but big, they are big. Ngeke uze ukubalekele lo. I-Royal Leopard Green Mamba i-A game.
Okay. Let's look at the two teams, Master. In terms of how they lined up, let's start with the defending champions, or rather the eventual winners on the day, Royal Leopard. Now, Babuga, this is the lineup that came into the game. Any surprises from the starting lineup or any expectations that you had and it was not according?
Uyathi Fabrice ngiyamhlonipha Edwin. Uyathi ukuthi kule game le Manyovu wayiqala igame. And engqondweni yami ngithi mina hayi man. Manyovu akadlali musa ama games inqumbi. Why amqalise kule game le? And I think logo wakwenda ngepurpose yena Edwin, because that side yaka right eGreen Mamba mhlambe wa understand lo ukuthi kutaba netinkinga wa anticipate lokho ukuthi kutaba netinkinga. I think le start wasenda, yes mhlambe Manyovu I position bekayiluza kakhulu, but kulesinye isikhathi u stretching I defense stretch kuvula le pitch kancane bekakwenda, even mhlambe nakuma counter attacks bekakhona ukuthi ayithole leyo bhola leyo. So I think starting 11,
that's the only surprise change.
Yes, lengibonile kuyo
which worked in the advantage, because
17,
which means the opponent also nakakufunza. The expectation is that he's not supposed to start, but he starts. Now the opponents, of course, the defending champions, their starting lineup full of experience and the regular starters. Your day and your expectation on the first 11.
Again Fabrice, now uyabuka le starting 11 se Green Mamba ngicaba ukuthi babe so unfortunately ukuthi kuhambe Innocent Dlamini ezi destroyer yabo kule game le number 6 bekudlala Peter. I think kule game le wastrugglisha beka went ama fouls kakhulu is a top player but I think nawubuka indlela ema fouls labeka wakomitha ngayo even mhlambe kulesi sikhathi atkanze out of I position, mina nje ngiva ngathi bengitawudzinga ukuthi ngigcine ngimkhokhile njoba ngisho Fabrice ukuthi le game, but ke Fabrice umbuto wami uthi
now into the game. Yes,
sesekule game uyabona ukuthi kude la kunesikhala khona la kude khona bamvungale like even nangala mva kolipali, even nangale kuleli pali lelingale kugcwele. Ngibaphekele ama fans lokhuluma ngawe na ukuthi these two teams buka that side, if mhlambe ubuka nje that
are
side.
they the club supporters now mangilabantu nje bethu?
No.
Ba supporter ama teams.
Bete tobukela phela Fabrice
ngiyakubuza
ngisho bona ukuthi if we a
but
game,
si consideration ukuthi this is the second game bekhona bekudlala idlala ebucafa
Fabrice, if we a game
before the game
bekudlala iLovo
kufanele ukuthi kusekhaya,
iLovo nesisonke
iLovo kufanele ukuthi kusekhaya ngithi
naba hostile aba nombola tiba
kancane yofela master okasa. This is the second game. iLovo besekhaya bekudlala the first game. Now take us through
inkumbela ama fans la bekahleli ngale bete ngala ma truck.
Okay,
yes
and the two teams. Yes, let's go through the games, the tactical awareness of the two teams. Yes, you're taking us through.
Fabrice njoba ngisho ukuthi kulesi isikhathi nawubuka both teams ucabanga ukuthi okay ngala iRoyal Leopard vele bamfakile iManyovu ngale kuleli side lelingale ngala kuna Mzoro then lakhathi ngaphambili nje kancane la number 10 role ukhona Junior ngicabanga ukuthi vele the creativity is the creativity bongayigatsa kule game le vis-a-vis ngale ku Green Mamba nakhona. I think Fabrice nakhona kumele ngikumention nako kule game le Mshishi bekumele ukuthi anyuse emasokisi because ngale bhuti wakhe beka khona lo ukuthi ayidlalele ibhola. So ngala that creativity bawa create le ma chances, like take nothing away from iGreen, you are creating le ma chances.
Yes, ngicabanga ukuphinza le corner kick, there's something the producers trying to show us which now goes maybe outside a bit of the discussion to say master solo sinayo lenkinga in terms of our facilities. I think sika sayibona yakabe khona somewhere in Europe where once the fans are too close to the pitch ucomfortable kanganani ukuthi Junior angathatha le corner kick, because two nawubuka nendlela ishaye ngayo akathole enough pace ukuthi atilungisele ukuthi akhone kuyifaka for the aerial balls. Ngiko nje in my view maybe it was a low cross.
I'm happy this shot iphoziwe yabanjwa la because yashuthwa intentional. if Fabrice utodlala ku open ground kanje yini lama fans ungabekeli that red tape adede abekhashane at least 2 meters or a meter away from that corner flag, because akusiko safe ukuthi umdlali angashaya icorner ekaso isiyadi open ground vele. Yes,
most all okunye lokuyingoti masa ukuthi sine sithe ukuthi bobani nyabekisa la support Green Mamba batawuhlala wena ungathatha le corner kick lohlele emuva
umlandzelo Green Mamba mina ngumdlalo weRoyal Leopard
safety wise
kungenteka noma ngayini and lokunye Fabrice sikhuluma ngayo lo safety unenvele ngayibuta a top official kuthi nakungenteka lapha asengibekise nje Fabrice anti security provider amaphoyisa kudlala iRoyal Leopard kunemumvu lo ranka ngetulu kwakho wena u stadium security eziliphoyisa kunemuntu lo ranka ngetulu kwakho asuka susumsindvo ngale utamlamla kanjani umphathi wakho?
Ay no so ngena deep kakhulu.
No ngiyibuta le practical
in technicality. Let's get back to the game. Say shiri ball master. Let's get to the goal. Let's go back to the action of the ball, because lokunye master nkaranga ukuthi I've never seen anyone taking a corner kick without at least giving himself a distance of 2 meters or almost 1.5 meters. The distance yakhe beyincane kakhulu Junior ukuthi angathathele corner kick. Hence he didn't get the ball ngerendlela bekafise kuyithatha ngayo. Let's talk about the goal, Master. To you, was it a calculated move? Is there any individual brilliance in this goal?
I think Fabrice kudlalisa ticket kule game le. Yes mhlambe kukhona ama moments egamini lobo bona khona ukuthi mhlambe bekangenda ngcono. But again, kuleli goal leli, ngawuthatha uyalibuka sidalibuka ku slow motion. Uqale washaya ticket and that pass ya Junior uyashaya and nakashaya Fabrice it defense like imile the awareness yakhe ticket that pass
but Master umuvumela njani ukuthi abe na so much space in front of you Junior? I know maybe ungatibuta ukuthi it was not in it, it's not yet in the danger zone, but it's close to the box. Why would he have so much space? Is it the issue layer midfield where there was a player who was not present? Maybe that is tactical awareness. But why is he having so much space?
Again, Fabrice, we are the two teams, the lineups. Sikhuluma ukuthi Junior udlala number 10. Ngale ngibalo udlala number 6 ngipitha longa siko natural number 6 because ujwayele ukudlala I defense and now ubuka closely kuleli goal leli I think the distance noma mhlambe lokuthi umake that late because Junior akwati ukuthi Junior kule half year umnike space lesingaka ukuthi a receive ibhola first to the ball. Nawufuna nje kufrustrate Junior first to the ball, because once wayithola le ball vele that defense splitting pass utayithola, and the question is iphi I right back ngale ngenhlangale iphi right back, because if kunesikhala lesingaka ngale lesa ticket lasithole sisikhulu kangaka I think ngiko lelo kungiwarishako mina uyasibona nje lesikhala buka lesikhala la tayifaka khona Junior just it desert but ngile kubokuhlakanipha kwakhe le vision.
So holding it to here Master, maybe for the view I'm calculating thing, let's hold here. First it's the pass, we had Vana, he gets the free space Number 2 the number is the right back, he's not present. Now let's also talk about the movement of the goalkeeper.
No, goalkeeper, okay.
When they got
yeah, vele because besayedwa ticket. And it's a Fabrice Lenvo, if ngicela umbiselele nje kancane emuva uyashaya ticket, like uyashaya there, yes, perfect, uyashaya ticket, and nakashaya Fabrice there is no one, because once goalkeeper waphuma if uyimbambele lapha once goalkeeper uthi lo mthetho we defend, once goalkeeper wakho waphuma one defender kumele ahambe aye epalini. Should anything happens ku goalkeeper angakhoni kuyivimba le bhola uyagijima wona usepalini uyokwenda le block, and le bhola eqala that attempt ishalpali na ishaya lelipali there yalishaya lelipali still
no one is there
kude lo phikako and ngicabanga ukuthi lana ticket kumele simnike le credit lo Thokozani, because lomunye that follow up bekangeke as ayente.
Once there is a defender on the post.
It's a good goal. It's a good goal.
It's a beautiful one. Maybe I just wanted to pick on that since knowing that the goalkeeper was not there was no right back. I understand your explanation, but maybe I thought they could have waited, maybe try to hold on to him. Now let's look at more action into the game because he had a fun-filled day, Junior, in terms of trying to make sure that his teammates having the look at how they're allowing them to get into
too much
the box.
space. Too much space. Ku half yenu. Bangakwenda Fabrice nangabe bangala kule half yabo, but once bangena ku territory yenu, then le space asibe siningi kakhulu, and lebe bakwenda bewuthola ukuthi Felix Badenhorst Jr. most of the time banza wonye le distance between bona incane kakhulu bendela kuthini, but awuthola those quick 1-2s lama passes and bebakuthola vele lokho. But njengoba ngisho Fabrice ukuthi I Green Mamba iwa createile nayo ma chances lengicabanga ukuthi mhlambe letinye isikhathi if lamanye ma passes bekangena early, be quick enough kungenisa lama passes early, ngicabanga ukuthi bebangenda ngcono. But nje hey Bulkun Fabrice, le game lena noma abidlale 2 days Green Mamba wengekora.
Now, more chances came and uthini umthetho we free kick in outside the box, master, in terms of defense, in terms of ensuring that you score. Because this was an opportunity. This is another opportunity also we're going to look at the corner kick.
Okay, lesinye isikhathi Fabrice, I think mhlambe nawubuka kukhona bekuhle kungwarisha ku Green Mamba. Ngicela ungibambele that yes perfect. You see the bashaya ikhona. Kuna slang ngale. Kuna mxolisi ngala.
On the right.
Umumvu for more specialist slang. Umumvu lo ngacabanga ukuthi nakushaya ikhona utamkhanze khatha boxini.
Because of the height.
But ugathe I-counter attack from Royal Leopard because they knew ukuthi Royal Leopard kunebadlali labafana nabo Manyovu. Ngiko lemisho komine because unemdlali thatha Peter umfake ahlale uthathe kusheshe ezwane lo qhamuka umbabana Swallows ahlale la center line, at least is quick enough ukuthi angabuya atokona ku recover kancane. Makonase slang Mxolisi, those are your players lokathe ukuthi babe sekhatha boxing including na isikhali.
Corner kick, free kick because of the height above me. Now, so when you look at the tactical, in your own understanding, so you would say Edwin had a better plan on the day compared to Ernest Mavuso because they did penetrate the box, including such chances. They did penetrate Royal Leopard boxes, but the person who did the better job on the day was Edwin in terms of reading the game.
Yes, and pinze kuhambelane ne football lakhe lengasho njalo because umumvu lo njengasikhali uyadzinga ukuthi angabi segemini nawutodlala against yena. Ngisho yini lokho Fabrice wawathola ama chances lengicabanga ukuthi mhlambe bengangenda ngcono kuwo, and kulesi isikhathi Fabrice uyadzinga ukuthi if lo sikhali a pass i-performance yakhe ipass noma aphumile kangaka ekhathe boxini, siyambona siyabonga uyangena ekhathe boxini, uyayenda leyo run ekhathe boxini, but you need someone lothatha isikhali nakayibamba le bhola abesekala. Bengicabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe a player like Magwego we played very well. Bengicabanga ukuthi umdlalo njengamagwego o D4D as soon as Khali nakaphumile athite wide kube nemumvu lotawu supporter just like nakule ngisho ku Junior na Felix ukuthi most of the time uthola ukuthi bona baba bongu 2 nakayibamba Junior Felix sokhona la nakayibamba Felix sokhona Junior utokhona ukuthi he played very well yena Magwego la.
But maybe you expect ukuthi Magwego nguye who can do that, master, because it was his first game. Maybe he's still to understand how the way Mavuso wants the team to play. So the reading of the game, because it was his first day. But for the rest, I think they should have maybe done what you're saying. But master, don't you think maybe in the absence of your normal destroyer, so I'm forced I would City 40, I would like that position to avoid Junior Abe free in the midfield. Because when I experience D40, he can do that.
Fabrice, we had to go sing at in Gunvini. Iyathina ikora Royal Leopard ngithi ke mina sale umkhokha Peter knockout le salo umkhokha Peter udlale ngathiwa bo number 8 yes D4D adlale adrope kancane abe deep kancane
half E8 half 6
yes ebenchini una angathi noma beka fully fit yini Njabulo Thwala ebenchini una Njabulo still unabo Javi ngaphandle so ngicabanga ukuthi bekugcina ukuthi lapho bese uyamfaka lo Njabulo na Njabulo Thwala D14 na Njabulo Thwala adlale deep Njabulo Thwala wendela in lapho wendela le create ku frustrate iRoyal Leopard because kuba khona kwaPeter njoba ngisho ukuthi knockout le there's nothing lo kudzinga ukuthi uyiprotect ku knockout it's unlike league ukuthi awufuna ukuthi mhlambe magoli amanyenti angene lana ngiwafa yabona so
because from what I'm picking D4D was now making the creativity arrangements that you're talking about which is not his natural job this is Njabulo Thwala's job to create for the job. Now Master, that was the first half time as we know Ingwenyama Cup competition at the tournament. It's a tournament that is divided or that joins both football and culture. So you know, those who attended the game in their numbers were entertained to some cultures. Master, knowing that Ingwenyama Cup it brings culture also. This was halftime.
Kakhulu Fabrice kakhulu ngicabanga ukuthi buhle beNgwenyama Cup ukuthi vele nge halftime sibone yona iculture because vele le tournament ingaloko ithi nayifikile lebantwini because lo munye utathi uyele kobukela nje ibhola kuphela but afike abe nelithandvo neculture so ngicabanga ukuthi idinvo letinhle iunique ngaloko.
Now let's agree and also congratulate to those who attend the game and also enjoyed the day itself, the culture and the football game itself. Now the game ended on that note, Royal Leopard leading 1-0 to head into the last 8 of the competition for the first time in nearly 4 to 5 competitions, because even 2018, 2019 they were beaten in the last 16, so they're into the quarterfinals now. Now on the day we got a chance also to speak to the coaches. The defending champions are out, their coach Enes Mavuso in the company of the Royal Leopard assistant coach Mfanzile Fash Dlamini. What did they have to say about the game, especially the two coaches after this?
It was a tough game indeed, but nje game plan ihambe kahle lebesendile besitshela ukuthi angeke silivule kakhulu lengemuva ngoba siyabantu bagude kuphi sathi hayi lapho sithola khona zathola ngale count ma chances watholile first half but sihlulekile kumele ngabe shintshe maybe nga 3-4 but nje kwalile it was a tough game, very tough one.
Kubhlungu man besingaka ku anticipate but ke igame umdlalo webhola unjalo nje. Ngicabanga ukuthi emathuba leswa creative bekafanele kusiniketa a clean win. Kepha bengasilo langa lethu. Ninako nje ukuthi ngiyibongele iLeopards because kulawo mathuba lewatholile ikhonile linye kuliconvertal belgoal. Sitamile sende konke lamuhla sende konke. Nangabuka i-second half yethu goalkeeper wethu angikhumbula enda esave le serious but thina besithethe lapha phansi elipalabo but we couldn't get a goal.
I don't know if it's a tactical move or what. Why was Edwin not the one to address the media? Ngakatsa ukuthi kube Edwin, but maybe was it ngokubuka kwakho khona bekajake khona, maybe it was that maybe
no emathempa bekasetulu kakhulu more especially ngala ku Royal Leopard mhlambe kwaba nema decision labeva so as soon as the game iphela abengafuni kuba part of what decide ukushesha phuma la stadium ahambe mhlamba uthela ngemanti so basinika assistant coach because he's equally capable.
Beautiful stuff. Now that was that was Saturday at Mayaluga Stadium. Now the full attention was on Sunday, where we now wanted to see majority of the other Premier League teams, including the team of the chairperson of the Premier League and the vice chairperson of the Premier League. That is Azuri United against Red Rhinos, and later they will say CSK Survivors and against Bafana Swallows. Now let's start with Ezulwini United and Red Rhinos, Master. Sayikhuluma le game, Master, ukuthi a lot was expected in terms of the competition. Teams have changed the names. Before, there used to be big teams in this competition. Now, Kumburatinho Sigadzeni in the Ngwenyama Cup. Red Rhinos, you know, with the name, with Tabanguru. The coaches and the club directors. Master, before the game, what was your anticipation?
Okay, Fabrice, kule game le ngicabanga ukuthi njoba siyakhumbula ukuthi both teams vele ngakhuluma ngendaba ekushaya amagoli ngakhuluma ngendaba ema surprises iRed Rhinos itala ku last 16 ibuya kushaya yona beauty I think Fabrice nawubuka as much as nawubuka indlela Manyathi le team ezulwini la ikhutha ngayo underrated. Ngisho yini letinye into Fabrice more especially this goal atichamuki nje lomnye umuntu yes mhlambe defending yayo iRed Rhinos ingaba na questions but this goal didn't volate Fabrice lentenda ejimini akumani iphume ibhola iye wide ibuye icross within 5 or less than seconds ligoli lishayo they practice wale tinvolate ama repetitions abe manyenti and nekuthi umuntu at position abe sekhathe boxing because nawubuka nje ukuthi ibhekane Mthembu ekhathe boxing lenvo uyathi ukuthi once the ball yasuka from midfield yaya ngale ewingeni nase ibuya as a cross mine as a striker kudzinga ukuthi ngende kanjani ngingene ekhathi anticipate ukuthi le ball itawungena lapha ekhathe boxing la goalkeeper dinvolate lengicaba ukuthi if uthathela pass in fact Fabrice uyambona umuntu lo khuluma tinvuta kamoya le tinvuta kamoya usuka tikhuluma yena usuka tibona akamoya so bo coach uma benda tinvo noma nangabe ubona tinvo tendiwa bo coach lo mnye umuntu uyacabanga nje ukuthi ligol lishaya cross tinvo likanjalo but once lenvo uyayibona ukuthi hayi man uyathi lenvo yinhle labo coach bayatinika isikhathi baya practice and bayayidadisha iopponent ukuthi kudzinga ukuthi bayibreak kanjani so tinvo letilitiya tifike tikunike lithemba noma tikujabulise ebholeni.
And coming to the game, maybe we'll get back to the highlights. When coming back to the game, Master, a lot was said about Red Rhinos on the day to say maybe there could be the surprising package to see getting further in the competition. But now Boga is really United on the day. You talked about this goal, and then you've taught us, Master, in terms of defensive, your positioning as a defender. Looking at your opposite, the goal post, the goalkeeper, the numbers in the box. But they were also not a bad team on the day. Now Buganje, they are built up into the box of the opponent, like this action.
Okay, I think nakhona Fabrice nawubuka kulamanye ama chances mhlambe yona
communication master.
I think la Fabrice ngithangisho lokho as a senior player.
Palma.
Yes, ubambe kahle nje la. As a senior player lo njenga Palma letinye tetinvo bekathanza asa committed kakhulu on the left side uthola ukuthi naka committed kakhulu it's either lose the possession or uthanza out of position so ngicabanga ukuthi lokho kudzinga ukuthi ekudefendeni mhlambe bakulungise kancane and Palma knows because une experience.
Was this a penalty, Master? Spot on?
Fabrice tinvo letinye ngihlale ngithi mina nawungirafela utibona kwekuqala uyaye utinike mhlambe uthi ay rafela lapha kwendeke in party la I think ube spot on yena Thulani because goalkeeper uyaphuma ngeke ngihlale ngisho ukuthi if goalkeeper uphuma uthi uyoclearisha ibhola why udlale umumvu ibhola ihambe because utayibona even again le replay but it's a beautiful penalty yakhe leshayo nguye bhekane right there koneni
full of confidence, yeah.
Hard and low wendela ukuthi noma ngabe goalkeeper uyafisa again buka Palma ukuthi ukuphi nyalo look at him ukuthi utcommit kanganani that side angathi noma mhlambe akathembi the left back noma yeah I'm not sure Andile bekumela akore la beautiful chance yeah but ngicabanga ukuthi Fabrice both teams adlalile and kule games yethu siwatholile amagoli.
Now, beautiful goals. They're into the next round, Master. Do they deserve to be in the quarterfinals? Now, Babuga, they are journey where they are, and the way they've been playing in the league. Now, Bugasu United.
Yeah, I think Fabrice kulo past 2 months or so ngicabanga ukuthi badlalile ba deserve kuba khona ku league and ba winile against Red Rhinos, so ku last 8 yes ba deserve.
Now let's listen to some of the interviews. Part of the interviews, there is a surprise interview where we got a chance to caught up with Melusi Magagula, also known as Mega. He was talking about his first appearance at the club after the incident that he experienced at some point, where one would say maybe he was off the field for circumstances that were beyond. But let's listen to his expectation and how he feels his current performance and his mental stableness of the as a player.
Ngiva ngijabule kakhulu ukuthi bocoach izulwini umphathi nabo coach bangicela ngihlalele phansi ngitobuka ibhola khona lamavuso bangibuta ukuthi ayimeke yathi sishoda ukuthi sifuna ukusidlalela la ngaqale ngala ngabathatha ngikho ready but bangiphusha ngagcine ngivumile so nga-attend ejimini ngiphusha hard nami ngiyamangala ukuthi ngikhonile ukudlala i-game 90 minutes kaso ngibonga nje lithuba khona bekulikhuni bengisaba but chance ke mbili staphenza ibuyi nangiyami iform yami.
I think today asikakhona ukudlala. We have a challenge maybe labafana kube ne Friday ukuthi basenza weni lensha bona balanzeni labakhona ekhathi grounding maybe kuba overcoming because most of them half of the team bayaqala ukudlala kule surface sidlala kuyo bayaqala ukudlala emavuso. I think kube i-challenge nalobunye lokusendela ukuthi sidle singadlali igame lesingene masibuya half time ezibakhulumisa bayaqala coach eground yasehlula sibathi siyaphika because most of the time ama games ethu siwadlala kakhulu ku artificial turf mangabe siphumile sithole ema ground la njengabo club like gravel so masibuya ku surface lenje strugglishile ukuthi sikhona ukubamba inyawo lethu.
Master, yes, Mega move. We'll talk about it quickly before we go to the next game. Nangmuva position, is that an excuse enough, Master, for a team that is trying to win games and come back to the Premier League? Would see Batlare Batuso, would see Batlare Mavuso. They're not used to say the scenario. I mean, other fields are also, you know, natural grass. Manzini Club, Bagabadala Kone, it's a facility. Is it the audience? Ukarangani kahle kahle. Mavuso, is it the size? Utsini ka nangmuva position.
I think Fabrice mhlambe ngete kwaba excuse excuse. Lesinye isikhathi vele because nawubuka half of the team beyiqala kudlala emavuso. Nawuthatha abadlali labadlala ongelamalanga la uhambe ubadlalisa FNB, yes FNB seyinkulu but that stage
frightness yakuthi
sibakhona sisemavuso igame kunebafans abo babona solos labakhona la and mavuso vela sikajwayele ukudlala. I think maybe naloko njo okay nalokho ke vele ihome ground yabo kukalanga so bajwayele ukudlala artificial turf ema games inqumbi noma bayenhlangano noma yes nase club badlala but I think kudzinga ukuthi mentally then coach bese so yaqhamuka ungena la ticathulweni talabadlali azame kubakhulumisa bashintshe that mentality because vele ezulweni yona ijwayele kudlala mavuso.
I'm tempted to go Menga. Anything you can say in less than 10 seconds?
Okay Fabrice, I think mhlambe nje kungaba kubonga ukuthi ezulweni iphinze Mega imnike i-chance ukuthi abuye adlale. I think for naye because Fabrice uyathi ukuthi kuyathusa ukuthi ungahlala almost 2 months ungaboni ungakhona ukubona emehlweni because of incident le ndeke ebholweni. Ngiyacabanga nje Fabrice ngake ngavanga leminyaka Fabrice Mwamba lwa collapse grounding yes gethusa tindvu leti kanje Fabrice ebholeni.
So he was happy to be back.
Kakhulu.
Now, let's talk about the last game of the day, the last conclusion of the last 16. It was the Premier League, the defending champions of the MTN Premier League, that is Mbabane Swarrows, 3 times winners of the competition against National First Division CK Survivors. Expectation on the day before the game, Master? In terms of the lineup, maybe much in terms of Swallows. What's Karagash?
Fabrice, I think for Imbabane Swallows itekle game le vele iCK Survivors bayaphoswa ganga lapha bongiswa but wakhona ukuthi abuye ngiyasithanda sibinzile sikanje Fabrice ukuthi nawende liphutha but ke Fabrice ngifuna ukukhuluma ngana incident naye
Uyaphi lo baba?
Ngiyadisturbeka Fabrice if kutaba nemomvu ngithi manager lo Magwego but if utabosuka ngala kuma stands uhambe uyocoach phinze ushout ungagcini nje ngalothi phinze uthi nasosukile lapha ku coach bomnika instruction phinze uchubeke ushout
ukuthi siyakuva sing media
no kwekuqala nje udisrespecta le profession yabo coach kwesibili le bhola ngicaba ukuthi ngito leti imvo leti senda ukuthi bangasithathi abantu serious because that up and down lesuka la kuma stands iye lapha ebenchini ngicaba ukuthi akusiko kahle.
Now let's get into the game now. A couple of chances were created. You know, with what's happening with the Imbabane Swallows master, in terms of maybe lack of that creativity in midfield. The one you want to ask the man you're highlighting, master, is coming. Ukarangana make changes, but okay, that's beside behavior. But Ukarangana.
Kwaqala bewunika coach instruction wabona ukuthi le ndvo labe utshela coach akayiva wase so chawuthela yena lekhase groundini.
Let's talk about this goal. As a new player, the club
Njongo Fabrice
tied to the sport of the goalkeeper.
Nawukhumbula kahle yena Njongo player of the month in December inangikhumbula kahle adlala ku Red Rhinos.
I think it was November.
And uyatibuta ukuthi this boy if mhlawumbe if bekakhona kuMbabane Swallows kusaqala isizini adlala nabo Gadlela
he could be far.
Buka Fabrice uyathi ukuthi
khona ngifuna ungulethe kancane isikhathi time is against that sibheka kancane emuva kancane when he receives the ball master angathi noma sibuyela kuye ka yini but na ubuya kancane there is a moment when he receives the ball there is the defender wanted to commit waphinzwa wabuyela emuva but I think also that speaks to brilliance to say I can still take a shot from a far distance.
But ke Fabrice that run yakhe Njongo
lo munye 28-24
no uyathi ukuthi that bekafuna kwendani lokungathi uya ngathita kancane bekacabanga an offside trap but again it's lenvo nasashaya when that block uyenda uyayivula Fabrice ema ndawutsini letimvo leti technical kanje ema defenders ukuthi ngiblocker ishot lekule side leya ngenda ngihamba straight noma ngiyalivula lelinyawo lami ngiliblocker ngilivulile no awulivuli because ukule position vele lengale uyathi that goal ngikhombute yakahle komphela 2011 South Africa versus Egypt that one not Ellis Park Fabrice ema strikers la kanje leta ushaya ligoli akule angle
deliberately on the tight spots of the goalkeeper.
Timvo leti I think udlale kahle because unayo ipace and ngicabanga ukuthi le aggression ikhona kuye then ligoli laphiliso I think Philiso
was that luck or bekathi shaya cross asibe honest master it was a cross maybe it was purpose
sakuthi ke Fabrice indzaba yeku la nguye kuphela lo watiwe ngekuphela lo wathi ukuthi bekashaya icross noma beka ubone goalkeeper nje ukuthi uphumele because lesi isikhathi mhlambe bengasho ukuthi kube bad cross
because I think maybe bafuna Njongo but what kanza ukuthi sengishaye kabi
but what if umbonile goalkeeper ukuthi uphumile vele epalini
kwathi yena but lokusala ko credits to the performance that's brilliant. Now, this is more highlights to the game. Of course, Imbabane Swallows winning on the day. So in terms of maybe reading the game, especially to the new players like Njongo, were you happy on the day? Yes, we're playing with a National First Division side, but are you happy from what you saw the previous game against Lutse Killers to this game? The new players, are they reading the games properly? Let's look at the penalty incident.
I think Fabrice uma ubuka indlela labadlale ngayo more especially the likes Philiso kule game lena udlala igame lenhle kakhulu kakhulu yeah maturity and ngicabanga ukuthi same like Trent Alexander-Arnold when going forward nangabe ahlasela overlapper very brilliant. Very brilliant.
No questions about the penalty incident. It was a penalty.
Yes. Okay. And disaccenga ukuthi improve kenyalo when defending. Ayithole leyo balance ukuthi wenda kanjani but nje I think udlale kahle kakhulu kule game lena. Imbabane Swallows yes ngicabanga ukuthi against CK Survivors akadlali ngalendlela lebengimele idlale ngayo but 3 goals I think we are mthatha next round.
Now let's listen to the two coaches from both sides, including the Mbabane Swallows coach having qualified for the last 8 of the competition.
A very important win. Let's negate that ticket which is going to go last 8. We must plan illegal. We are playing a good team. We got first division, but it's a good team. Mawubuka mangabuka ma stats possession yabo nje isedulo and ke sine challenge in our marking loku labas expose kuyo ukuthi we are failing to mark as a group so bese kuvuleka ikhala letinengi sebakhona lokho ukuthi ba move from one zone to another zone so basitile though we have to go back and work on that.
Abadlali bami basabile kumbe in the first 10-15 minutes judging by the 2 quick goals we conceded. I think Machitas maybe were playing against a brand of Mbabane Swallows, not the Mbabane Swallows we used to know, but because of the brand I think it was that. But coming to the second half I think everybody saw what happened. We were trying to match them pound for pound and we conceded a penalty. Then we cannot say much about that penalty. We played the better half. Yes.
Now, after the two coaches now, they've expressed their, concerns about the two sides. Let's move on to under 13 Build It. Now, that is outside the Ngwenyama Cup. Now, we've got 8 teams. Just before I leave the topic, we've got 8 teams. 7 are from the Premier League. Only 1 team from the First Division is Lozita Spurs, and they continue to make headlines. So far, we hear when the draw is conducted and more details about the games. Now, let's talk about the under 13 Build It. Over the weekend, there was a competition that was leading to 8 teams from the 8 stores/cities where they are built it in the country. Master Imkwagana the competition on the day the performance, eventual champions being the Mbabane store. So what a day it was indeed.
What a day, Fabrice. I think labadlali laba labancane ngicabanga ukuthi baluhlale balikhumbula le opportunity le labayitholile ukuthi bangadlala under 13 Build It finals. Ngicabanga ukuthi Fabrice njoba ngingaveta evikini liphelile ukuthi labadlali laba naku unyalo bafikile ema finals. Nyalo sekudzinga ukuthi le league idlale like any other league. Ichubeke throughout the year idlale lo 8 months ngicabanga ukuthi ngaleyo ndlela leyo singayibona i-proper development yebhola because ema-technical center akhona kalobamba ikhona technical center bangadlala khona Mkhuzweni ikhona technical center bangadlala khona Estegi ikhona technical center bangadlala khona Nhlangani ikhona technical center lekumele ngabe vele kakhulu isebenta nomsebenzi nangu we development. So I think Fabrice the players ngicabanga ukuthi yes labanye babo yabona ukuthi ba struggleisha labanye bede nemakhokho ekudlala but ekugcineni kwako konke even nalo winile 10,000 malangeni Junior Sbanzi imali leyo lenkulu kakhulu and nawubuka ukuthi nalo wine i-top scorer Anele Wadlamini naye 2.5 emalangeni. So ngicabanga ukuthi Fabrice yes ibuild it mhlawumbe iya supporta le bhola but mina still ngiyamaintaina ayibe khona le league letawudlala throughout the year.
What a competition was. Now the eventual champions, of course, the Pick and Pay Build It store, where the eventual champions, as you witnessed the penalties that were played in some of the games in terms of Build It Build It store, rather. Sorry, not Pick and Pay. Build It store were the eventual champions. Babane Build It store were the eventual champions. So let's wait for the future. We hope that these are the future stars. We want to select them for the future. We want to see them in competition, and we want to see what they can offer in the near future. Because in the past, we've had stars that have come from this competition, and it was good to see also a legend in the name of William Kulket Shongwe, being present, which is a motivation master to the youngsters. And we are captain Nairo Mncane, we are introducer would see Lonang Sbanbani. So the players, I think they are motivated to have the stars, the legends in the game being present on the day.
Noma kanjani Fabrice, I think nawusemncane ama-legends yes mhlambe bangete badinga Kulkhet asadlala but bamati Kulkhet ukuthi i-legend yala ekhaya bamati nemsebenzi la wendawo, so ngicabanga ukuthi kuyi-motivation lo nawuva ukuthi kunemumvu lwadlalela i-national team waphinzwa wadlalela nema-clubs 3 big teams aseSoweto bamva bakwathi lokho ukuthi Kulkhet played for the 3 big teams aseSoweto, Orlando Pirates, Kaizer Chiefs, Morocco Swallows. So kude mhlambe lokukhulu kwendlula lokho kuKulkhet.
And even South African, some of the players can hardly achieve that. We're waiting to see if someone can do that. Now let's listen to some of the speakers on the day. Once again, a reminder or a correction is that she is the under-13 Build It Mbabane store that were the eventually champion. Let's listen to the interviews, including the Chief Executive Officer of the National Football Association, highlighting the importance of a competition.
Our participation in this tournament is as such that Kakulunje, the budget for Southern Africa, has been the #1 tournament for Build It National Eswatini for the last 19 years. We're proud to make this tournament to be a success in Southern Africa, especially Eswatini. So I want to please once more thank the Federation, the cooperation to this level. And proudly I must say, Eswatini, the Abantu Balagangwane, we've produced national players to Silang, and I'm proud of that. And we make a commitment for this to ongo all the time. Sibonga nonke Amaswati that support our Build It brand. Kakunje Seria Pambi. Thank you very much.
Inhlangano yebhola asisho ukuthi our Build It vele sesithi ngumnakethu nangabe besingakubeka ngelimi lesiswati ikakhulu kati njengoba umbuko wachaza phambilini ukuthi tonke inhlelo lesitendako nako konke nasifuna ukutesta tinto sitestela tikwa Build It la siqale khona Build It bekusitolo sinye nje kuyimbabane kuphela wanza seta mathapha seta kamanzini wanza wayenhlangano sadlala nje iminyakanyana kungilabo labane base bayangena ke nabulibombo nabo njengoba sathi nyalo ukuthi titolo setikhona lonke lelive tonke letigotsi totine setikhona umuntu angasho ukuthi kakhulu kade lapho sijabulele khona ka Build It ngilokuthi nyalo sokusinikete la sikhona kukhetha khona abadlali lesithi ngila sesiqala khona kwakha abadlali baso sihlangu nasingakhuluma and sibuke embili ke ngoba kuyakhulunywa namanje sesitawufaka nebhola yabomake kusona lesigaba lesemanda 13 sethemba nje kulo 2025 tawutha yophela kuma next edition sizabe sesibona sekunebhola yabomake ngoba ibhola afuna ithuthuke enhlangothi tonke kungabi sekuthini bafana kuphela ngiloko nje lesitakwethula kumbe tinyanga letithite letitako la sitawuthula ukuthi seyikhona nebhola bomake kubonga kakhulu kubaka Build It umsebenzi laba wendile imali labahlanyelako in millions every year bazama ukuthi ibhola elive ithuthuke.
Now, beautiful stuff. Now, prizes were won on the day. Talking about prizes, there is, they came in handy. Talking about, material things. We're talking about some of the prizes on the day. There is a bicycle for the youngster who eventually was also the winner. So we're talking about good stuff, Master. Not the bicycle, uphethe inkomishi yakhe lencane as one of the player of the tournament. It says a lot, Master, naso winning for kanjeni.
Oh yeah, for Chris, I think lama prizes vele motivator umdlalo semncane kakhulu nje Fabrice. I think njoba usho ukuthi mabhayisikili even nama legends bo cricket nabo bathole tipota kabo. So I think the youngsters kakhulu ngiwo la ecinga ukuthi anakekeleke njoba sisho ukuthi over the years bakhona abadlali abaphumile
Tongue Master.
bakhona abadlali abaphumile from yona ibuild it tournament bangena ku national team the CEO bekachuba wona ema proceedings bakabambelena lihlelo but overall nje Fabrice I think I tournament le vele kumele ukuthi develop ibhola
kuhle kakhulu Thobo Kaskora winning le Tongue Master ngicabanga ukuthi litamsitha kakhulu if maybe ekhaya khona umsebenzi wendako but you do need such things. Now Master, time is against us, we have to love and leave them. Kube kuhle kakhulu kuba na Master, there's more discussion on Thursday ngafisa ukuthi sikhulume ngezinto ezaba but let's talk on Thursday about other sporting codes even international.
Good thinking of Fabrice. I think even Thursday sabe sesikhuluma mhlambe ngizabadala amanye ema associations bese sikhuluma mhlambe nakancane nangabo COSAFA draw because beyendeka namhle ebusuku.
Now, talk about the draw that he's referring to. With the latest news we have is that Group B probably is the group of death, Master. Egypt, South Africa, Zimbabwe,
group
and Angola.
Group of death in COSAFA.
Yeah. So when you talk about that, it's a COSAFA group, like he's saying. Now, let's love and leave them because on Thursday we're back here. Egypt has a lot to answer. South Africa, Zimbabwe, and Angola. So let's see how it's going to be. I like that group of COSAFA. Until we meet again on Thursday, this was your Monday edition of Flipboard Eswatini in the company of our in-house analyst, that I mean the entire crew, Eswatini TV, you as a viewer, Kanjaro Monday, Sitrala Kamnanzi.